Hello, welcome back to Civil Conclave YouTube channel. Today I am presenting a small presentation on the rate analysis for the plastering work. Rate analysis for a double coat plaster work. Material requirement and coverage area. I consider as a mixed proportion as a 1:6. Area of the plaster is 11.04 square meter. Hence the area of plaster will be 11.04 into 10.764 will make me 118.79 square feet. Thickness of the plaster I consider at 30 mm. So volume of the motor area into thickness, that is 11.04 into 0.03, 0.33 cubic meter. Dry motor plus wastage 50% of 0.33 m cube will be 0.5 m cube. So quantity of the cement what I require is a 0.07 cubic meter, that is 2.05 bags. Quantity of the sand is required of 0.43 cubic meter, that means 15.02 CFT. It comes around 0.15 brass. Quantity of the chicken mesh 18.6 running meter. Quantity of the nails will be 0.3 kgs. Quantity of the chicken washer will be 0.2 kgs. Now I am talking about a cost analysis for the same. Cement 2.024 bags at the rate of 280 will be 577. Sand 0.150 brass at the rate of 6600 will makes you 991. Chicken mesh 18.6 running meter at the rate of 9 rupees will make me 167.4. Nails 0.3 kgs at the rate of 55 will make me 16.5. Washers 0.2 kgs at the rate of 70 will be 14 rupees. So the material cost will be 1762.11. Labor cost for a double coat plaster I consider 19 rupees per square feet. So the cost per 118.79 square feet will make me 2257.02. Hence the material plus labor cost is going to make me 4019.13. I am adding a overhead of 3%, which makes me 120.574. 15% contractor profit makes me 602.87. So the total cost comes around 4742.57. Hence the cost per m square will be 429.581. Cost per square feet will be 39.92. Let's say 40 rupees. Now I am talking about a rate analysis for a Neeru plaster. Mixed proportion 1:6. Area of the plaster is 11.04 m square. Area of plaster 118.79 square feet. Thickness of the plaster I consider the 0.15 mm. So the volume of motor area into thickness is going to 0.22 cubic meter. Dry motor plus wastage 50% of 0.22 m cube will be 0.11 cube. It makes me 0.33 cubic meter. Quantity of the cement will be 0.5 cubic meter, that is 1.36 bags. Quantity of the sand will be 0.28 cubic meter, that is a 10.02 CFT. I call it a 0.1 brass. Quantity of the chicken mesh will be 18.6 running meter. Quantity of the nails will be 0.3 kgs. Quantity of the chicken washer will be 0.2 kgs. Now I am talking about a material cost. Cement 1.36 bags at the rate of 280 will be 381. Sand 0.1 brass at 6600 will be 651.022. Chicken mesh 18.6 running meter at the rate of 9 will be 367. Nails 0.3 kgs at the rate of 55 will be 16.5. Washers 0.2 kgs at the rate of 70 will be make me 14 rupees. Salna, what I call as a Neeru, 1.48 bags at the rate of 1890 will make me 281.2. Hence the total material cost makes me 1521.91. Single coat plaster at the rate of labor rate of 15 rupees will make me 1781.86. So hence total labor plus material cost will be 330.76. Overhead 3% will make me 99.1129. 15% contractor profit will make me 495.565. So total cost of the things comes around 3898.44. Hence cost per m square will be 353.12. Cost per square feet 32.81, let's say 33. Now I am talking about a rate analysis for a single coat tar plaster work. Mix proportion 1:6, area same 11.04, area of plaster 118, thickness of the plaster 15 mm, volume of mortar area into thickness will make me 0.17, dry mortar plus wastage of 15%. That means 0.17 50%, it is called 0.08%, which will make me 0.025 cubic meter. Quantity of the cement will be 0.04 cubic meter, 1.02 bags. Quantity of sand will be 0.11 m cube, that is 3.76 CFT. I call it as 0.04 brass. Quantity of a crushed sand will be 0.11 cubic meter, again it is a 3.76 CFT, that is 0.04 brass. Quantity of the chicken mesh 18.6 running meter, nails will be 0.3 kgs. Quantity of the chicken washer will be 0.2 kg. Now I am coming to the cost analysis for the same. Cement 1.022 at the rate of 280 will be 286. Sand 0.37 at the rate of 6600, 247.883. Crushed sand 0.037 brass, 3150, 118 rupees. Chicken mesh 18.96 running meter, 9 at the rate of 167.4. Nails will cost me 21 rupees. Washers will be costing me 14 rupees. Hence the material cost will be 854.93. The labor cost, what I consider as a 12 rupees per square feet, which will make 1425.48. Hence total material plus labor cost will comes around 2280.42. Overhead 3% will make me 68.41. 15% of the contractor's profit will be 342. Hence the total cost of labor plus material etc. will be 2690.89. Hence the cost per square meter will be 243.74. Cost per square feet will be 22.65. Let us say 23 rupees. Thank you. Watch this presentation to be treated as only an outlay. You have to check the material and labor rate at your project site for obtaining the current rate. This rate analysis for ground floor. For higher floors, you have to add lift and lead cost. Overhead and profit margin depend upon the quantum of the job and the organization principle, which you have to check it out again. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and motivate me for giving furthermore good presentation. Please subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Thank you once again.